What's going on, Chevy Kings and Queens? Welcome back once again to Chevy Kings TV. On this episode, we're going to talk about wiring up the Holley Terminator LS ECU and how I did it and how I routed my wires. Let's get right into it, man. Okay, we're going to go over to the passenger side. Everything with the Holley Terminator ECU is labeled, plug and play. You can't mess up. Right here, if you look down at the block, let's get at the block right here, that's my cooler temperature sensor. It's labeled CTS on the side, can't mess it up. If you come up to the top over here at the throttle body, that's my IX sensor. You look right up under the IX sensor, you see the throttle positioning sensor right there. This is the fuel pressure sensor. It's optional. You don't have to run it if you don't want to. If you want to run your fuel pressure, run it to one of your gauges inside the truck, or if you want to run it where you can look at it on the screen of your Holley ECU, that's cool. It's pretty much up to you. You come down right here. That's the cam sensor. And you go on the other side. You can't really see it, but let's see if I can get down up in there for you guys. If you look down in there, you see that little sensor right there? That's your crank sensor. It's right behind, well, on the side of the starter. All right. Coming up. You got your even side, you got your odd bank. Even bank, your odd bank. Okay, so when you plug up your injectors, they also label injector 2, 4, 6, 8. So make sure you plug them all in the right spot. When you plug those up, come to the odd side, do the same thing. Injector 1, 3, 5, 7. So you go plug those up, and you got a wire that goes to the back. Right here, that's for your injectors. Once you plug them all up, you connect this, and you're good to go. Also, you got your odd bank, like I said, even bank for your ignition. Same thing. You go plug, make sure you got to have everything on the right side. Once you hook up everything, plug up your ignition on your odd side. Same thing on your even side. That's it. Okay, now, got a lot of wires up in here, but on the back side of your block, so on the back side of your block, you got 2 grounds. Make sure you hook those grounds up. If the both sides is an M10 by 1.5, if y'all don't know. Grounds are very important, guys. Don't miss out on your grounds. Grounded on each side. All right, at the back side of the block, let's see if I can get that in here for you guys. Let's see. Right here. You see this lid look like fall paper, but it's heat protected. Right here with my finger at, that's where your knock sensors plug up to. On each side of the block, in the same spot, you go plug up your knock sensors right there. Okay, let's go. Coming back up. Right here. This is your wide band. This is your wide band. That's where your O2 sensor plug up at. You look down. Well, I'm going to go up under the truck and do it better. You can see. Let's see. Boom, right there. Okay. These LS SWAPPED pedestals already come with a bone. That's where your O2 sensor hook up at. You come back up. Get it out the way from any heat, like all your headers and anything. Make sure you move it out the way. I just kind of got everything rolled up and zip tied for now, but I'm gonna once I get the motor ran, get all my wires ran, I'm gonna fix everything, hide everything nice and neat for you guys. You'll see that down the line in the future. Okay, this right here, this is your main power for your ECU. As you can see, all of my wiring is ran through this little hole right here. They make some rubber little plugs that go up in here. I'm going to cut that out and snap it in. All that going to be sealed up and hidden nice and neat in all the little spots on my firewall that needs it. So it look like that right now, but it's not going to be the finished product, guys. Okay, now, in your ECU, you're going to have these 3 wires right here. You got the green, you got the blue and white, You got the red. The red gonna go straight to your battery. 12 volt, hot. The green, that's for your fuel pump. But if your fuel pump pulling more than 15 amps, do not run it to this green wire. Run it to a relay setup and everything, so you won't burn nothing up or short nothing out. And this blue and white wire right here, this for your tach. So if you're running a external tach inside your truck, car, whatever vehicle you running the ECU, the Terminator X in, this is what this is for right here. These 3 wires. 12 volt hot constant, blue and white. It's for your tach, external tach. Green is for your fuel pump. But if it's pulling more than 15 amps, do not run into this. Run it to a different source, guys. All right, boom. Let's go inside the truck. I don't think I missed nothing on the outside. I covered everything where everything go at. Oh, and your main power straight to your battery. You got your red hot, black ground. Simple. Don't plug it into your ECU until you have everything plugged up, everything grounded right. Then plug this up last. So your main power that go behind your actual ECU, plug this up last. Don't plug it up first. Make sure you have everything else right. All right, now let's go inside the truck, guys. Yeah, we restoring this thing, so it ain't perfect. Now, that hole you seen, it comes behind the dashboard up in here. Everything gonna be tucked nice and neat when I get ready to tuck all my wires. But all right, let's get down to business. You got your J1A and you got your J1B. That plugs into the back of your ECU. This is the Holley little 4-inch screen that comes with it. Oh, give me a second, guys. Let me get this thing out. I gotta hide and tuck all this stuff. But this is the screen that comes with it, the little wizard right here. I'm thinking about getting the 12.3-inch screen and running it as on my gauge cluster if I can find the bezel that'll fit it. If not, I'm gonna try to get one custom made that'll fit with my instrument cluster and put the 12.3-inch screen in there, the standalone. But this is the wizard that comes with it. Okay, now this is your relay for your fuel pump right here, and you got your fuse also in case anything trip. This is your can on wire. This wire here connects here, and it runs all the way to this little screen right here. Now, this little red and white wire, it goes to a source where when you're cranking your truck and your key is on, you go have power voltage. But when your key is off, this has to shut off. So it can't go to a constant hot, guys. This black wire right here, it needs to go to a chassis ground. Make sure you grind out wherever you go put your ground, grind that spot out where you have a good ground, good connection for guys, and you'll be good to go. What else? Missing anything? Excuse me, guys. Just trying to make sure I ain't leaving that out. Okay. Right here. This is for your additional outputs that'll run your fans, your IAC, your AC, shut down or kick out when you have wide open throttle. It won't have your AC running to kick it out. The plug-in for that is back here. If you guys can see it. I don't know if I'm end up using it as of yet. I might use it for my fans, but I don't know if I'm gonna use the IAC kick out and stuff yet. I'm gonna look into that more, and I might end up using it, I might not. This is what the ECU look like, guys. There you go. And this little hose right here, that's for your map sensor if you're running like an aftermarket intake. You can plug up a vacuum line hose and run it to the back of your intake for your map sensor for it to read out. But other than that, man, that's it. Simple. Like I said, to your left, your J1A, J1B, your main power. And those numbers right there, those indicate like your IAC, your throttle position sensor. Let you know what's working, what's not working. That way you can troubleshoot and go straight to the source without having to guesswork or scratch your head and figure out what's going on. But like I told you, it wasn't gonna be a long drawn out video, guys. Just a simple video letting you guys know how everything worked with the Holley Terminator X. Plug and play, guys. Simple. Now it's up to you how you want to wire it, where you want to run it, how you want to run it. That's totally up to you guys. I was just showing you how I did it. But hopefully this video was informational for you. Like I say, if you need left something out that's important, comment below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys, to the channel. Got a lot more information and videos coming your way. And like I say, man, everything you're getting is authentic from a working man day to day on this build, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tune in for the next video, and we out.